Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are almost finished with the build and it is down to the finishing touches now. The bed is in, the cupboard is in, I have a little bit of plumbing to do which will get done later today, and now it's just the finishing bits. Starting with the centre between the driver and the passenger seats. I took out the middle pod and John has made a little very flat wooden box to go in that centre part. I want to cover that with some sticky back carpet that I bought. I also need to have the lift up worktop that goes on here with brackets attaching on here, and the one that's going on the back door. I need to put the back door panels on and the lift up on the back door. I need to add some vinyl in the bottom of my drawers to line those, and whatever else I can find along the way. I bought some rubber trim to go on the back edge of the plywood floor. It's quite a bit of plywood on shore and it looks pretty rough. So this is supposed to be for kind of faking having like, I don't know what you call them, eyelashes, no, not eyelashes, like eyebrows on your wheel arches. Like my van doesn't have plastic wheel arch covers, it just has the body and it's kind of shaped, and you can add this rubber trim on to kind of fake the look, as it were. But the size is quite good for what I want it for. It is, I'm not sure how well it'll show, but it has one raised edge, like it's curved but it's kind of flat on the main body of it, and just one raised side on it, which means I can put that on the top of my floor and then just have this on the back edge of the plywood. The only thing I have to do is cut out where the plastic piece on the back is, where the door catches go and attach to. So I need to kind of nibble out the shaping for that. I also bought some step grip. I'm not sure how well this is going to work. It's basically like sandpaper, like sticky back sandpaper, and this is about 1 inch wide. My plastic steps, as you get in and out of the sliding doors at the sides, can be quite slippy. I found when it's damp, or if your shoes are damp, you tend to slip on the plastic. So I'm hoping to add some of this. I'm not sure how well it's going to hold up to the weather, but we can give it a try anyway. plan to add some lift up worktops in the van. 2 of them. One is going here on the back door, so roughly below the handle. For it, I've got some lift up brackets. These ones are for the back door. They'll go on here somewhere. And I have some longer ones for the other lift up, which I'll show in a moment. I have marked before this panel went on where the holes, there is some holes in the metalwork in here, so I don't want to be drilling those or there'll be nothing to hold the brackets on. So I've marked the height, and the distance from the edge of the gaffer tape to the hole is the distance from the edge of the gaffer tape to the hole in this direction as well. So I have 2 of those to go on, and I need to add some iron-on edging on the edges of these because these are shelves for an IKEA unit. These are the Besta shelves, and these are 500 wide, I think, or thereabouts. 56. They're 560mm wide, so they will go, one will go there, so I can cook outside or put my cup of tea on it or whatever while I'm sitting outside. I also plan to put one of these on the end of my cupboard on here. I haven't entirely decided how long I'm going to have this, whether they're going to be full length or not, but I do have brackets that will accommodate a full length one, and this will extend my worktop space all the way across the opening of my sliding door, and I have some nice long lift up brackets for that too. So that is all the structural type things done now. Lift up tables done, and all there really is left to do now is the kind of decor prettifying kind of things to do. I have tiles to do on my splashback and hanging things for storage and various bits and pieces that I still have to do, but that will be on another video. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye bye.